and look how it intensifies the storm, makes them brighter purple. Same idea, though, is it brings some fringe winds in over the Carolinas during the day, beginning late Saturday into Sunday, and then moving north. Look how much brighter the purple gets. And here we are, 6 a.m. on Monday. Those strong winds, those purples there, are just coming ashore in the mid-Atlantic and New Jersey, and then through the day on Monday, it picks up, and now we have solid purple all the way along just by the coast, and including the big cities of the Northeast, and the winds are picking up inland. And so during the day on Monday, the winds pick up. They peak in the overnight hours, according to these models, on Monday into Tuesday, and then they will only slowly go down late on Tuesday on into Wednesday. That's the timing right now. Still nothing from the National Hurricane Center. We'll have it for you the second it comes in. All right, back to you in the studio.
Okay, thanks so much, Brian. You know, Crystal, we know exactly where this is. We know it might be headed, but now we need to talk about the potential impacts. And one of them, of course, are potential power outages. In fact, you take a look at this, area shaded in red, the most likely places to see the power outages.
We do expect this to be one of Sandy's primary effects, considering the size and the strength of the storm. So be thinking about what to do if you lose power. Full tank of gas, getting that ready over the weekend. Some cash. Remember, if you lose,
ATMs go out.
ATMs go out, right? Non-perishable food, lots of water, batteries, you know, for those battery chargers, I guess, if you will, for cell phones and computers. Have everything charged up. Maybe even a generator if you've got one. Propane for your grill, weather radio. List goes on and on.
No question about it. All right, folks. Well, we got more nonstop coverage of Hurricane Sandy and its potentially historic impacts on tens of millions of people in the Northeast. It's straight ahead.
And looking at some flooding potential here. We're not only on the coast with storm surge and coastal flooding, but inland areas. Remember what Irene did to Vermont and the threat for flooding. The farther inland you go, it's a big storm with far-reaching impacts.
Absolutely, no question about it.
We'll be right back with more expert analysis and the latest on that advisory from the National Hurricane Center. Keep it right here, tuned in. Weather Center Live.
And welcome back to our continuing coverage of Hurricane Sandy. You're looking live here as we take a check on Sandy. This is Nags Head, North Carolina. A tropical storm watch is in effect. Hurricane Sandy is shaping up to be a mega storm and one for the record books. Some 50 million people.